Every dream home begins with a vision. We listen, understand, and transform your ideas into a practical architectural concept.
Our design journey starts with concept development, where ideas begin to take shape through creative architectural planning.
Next, we create detailed floor plans that balance functionality, comfort, and efficient use of space.
Using advanced 3D modeling tools, we bring your future home to life before construction even begins.
Our exterior visualizations showcase every architectural detail, material, and design feature with stunning realism.
We design and visualize beautiful interior spaces that combine comfort, elegance, and functionality.
Behind every great design is a strong structure. Our engineering process ensures safety, stability, and long-term performance.
Once everything is refined and approved, we present a complete architectural solution ready for execution.
At Dwelup Corporation, we transform ideas into exceptional architectural experiences. From concept to creation.
Dwelup Corporation. Your vision, our precision.